Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soufflé pancakes without a mixer. First, carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. It's crucial that no yolk gets into the whites, as this prevents them from whipping properly. Place the whites in a large, very clean, and dry bowl, ready for the next step. Now, it's time to create that airy meringue by hand. Vigorously whisk your egg whites until they become foamy. Slowly sprinkle in about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar as you continue whisking. Keep going until the mixture forms stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Next, prepare your pancake batter. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, milk, and flour until just combined. Then, take about 1/3 of your whipped meringue and gently fold it into the yolk mixture to lighten it. Carefully fold in the remaining meringue in 2 more additions, preserving the airiness. Finally, let's cook these fluffy delights. Heat a non-stick pan over very low heat. Drop 2 large spoonfuls of batter for each pancake, making them thick. Cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Serve immediately for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.